Okay, so what we're going to demonstrate now is a trigger lock on a semi-automatic handgun. First thing we're going to do is pull the slide back. We know it's unloaded. We're going to remove the magazine. I'm going to set it down. I'm going to put this on that side of the handgun. And then we'll bring this and get it on here tightly and remove the key. And there we go. It's locked and it's unloaded. Now to take it off, we'll simply get the key, pull this side off, pull this side off. Now we've got the handgun. We'll put the magazine back in, and there.